We're about to go in the kitchen, guys. Well, the filming room would be the room with better lighting. Oh, downtown. You can see all the way into Portmore too.
She say it for me alone. Me alone.
Good morning, vlog. This is Kyle. Yeah, look at the bike. I like bikes. I'm starting to like bikes. But anyways, Kyle, we can see you. Yeah, so Kyle and I were just apartment searching. I didn't want to bring it up in the vlog, but I'm gonna bring it up. We're in Manor Park now. Just got some gas, and Kyle bought me a Goldie. It looks like a Twinkie if you're in America. Looks like a Twinkie. And some Crown water. Let me move this over. I'll put it on this side here. I've never had the Arizona. Well, I guess I have. I lied. But anyways, there's Kyle being quiet. Alright, whatever.
Come on, drive.
Alright, so Kyle and I are back on the road. Maybe Kyle will want to talk to you guys, but we're seeing some really pretty houses. I mean, they're average pretty, but they're still really pretty. Right? Oh, sorry. Kyle's mouth is full. But I'm trying to look for apartments yet again. We saw one in a really nice neighborhood, but that's not livable. That's not livable at all. Keep going straight. Was it delicious?
Simply.
Yeah, so Kyle is bringing me, granted these are some expensive areas that Kyle has brought me to.
You can always get a bargain somewhere. You can always get a bargain somewhere. Yeah, you just have to look.
It would be nice. Hold up. I hate when there's a lot of people driving behind me and I'm window shopping. Oh, that looks nice too. But remember, I only need a 1-bedroom, 2 max. Oh, oops. Where are we going, Kyle? So look at this apartment complex.
Go left.
Left? Alright. Ooh, Kyle is taking me in the gully side. I think he would know. He looks so young. No, he doesn't. Not that young. Oh, Kyle brought me to the gully side.
It's far from the gully side.
Kyle brought me to the gully side. Insert Mavada gully side. Which way should I go? Right or left?
Straight. Watch this corner.
Huh?
Watch this corner. It's deep.
Okay. Ooh, I really like that gray wall. That gray right there is a nice gray.
S playing on the track.
guys, so we're in Beverly Hills right now and we're looking at some of the apartments that they have for rent. Oh, it's definitely not down here. They're not done with this level.
Yeah.
So here's the view. It's like directly over Kingston. She said it was open, no? Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, it's open. It's actually open. So here is the place. Damn. Kyle? Wow. Well, maybe this one is the 1200. Ah, this is nice. I can do my YouTube in here. Dang. So we're just showing you guys, really. Wow, this is nice. Our backyard, veranda space. Walk in. Well, not. Huh? Right? We visited a place earlier and it was terrible. I didn't even pull out the camera for that. I wouldn't pull out the camera for that. This smells freshly painted. It was. Just done. You know that fresh smell paint, guys? This is what this place has. So it has its own balcony area. Like I said, with the Kingston. That's all the Kingston right there, downtown. You can see all the way into Portmore too. And is that Red Hills over there? The Red Hills. Right, clothesline. Can I even reach that clothesline?
Stretch.
That one. How the hell they reach that? Yeah. This is nice. There's another room that we didn't look at.
Oh, the other place is the pool, but who
It's
needs a pool when you have this?
right. This and no pool is much better than the other rooms that they showed us. Oh, you like it? The bathrooms could use a little more work.
Bathrooms.
The bathroom's nice though.
They probably want to retile more.
Yeah, it seems like they're gonna retile this because they have to get the tile to match. But it's not bad. Like I've seen worse. We see. You got it. Oh, so it's 3-bedroom? This one's huge. This is the 1200 a month. This gotta be the 3-bedroom is the 1200 one. But this is nice. Even though it's dark, this could be a nice filming room. Wow. Well, the filming room would be the room with better lighting. Oh. It could be, but the filming room would be a better room with better lighting. So this is. You wanna go to the next one? Did we come in this room?
Yeah, we did. First room. But this looks like a kid's room.
Yeah. Do you think this is the master or this is the master because it has access to the...
Yeah.
But there's no...
This is more...
A bigger... Yeah.
This is one bathroom.
Yeah. It looks roughly this. Is it one bathroom or two? This one? Yeah. So yeah, this is the opening to the apartment. I think this is the $1,000 apartment. And that one was a 1200. So this is the second apartment, guys. Room is not bad. Room 1, room 2, another entryway. Kyle, this bathroom is nice. I mean, it doesn't have a bath.
That one's finished?
It doesn't have a bath, but it looks a lot better than the other one. I think they're gonna redo this, or they should. I like this. This is some baby making shower right here, guys. It's where all the babies are made.
Yeah, you stand up and screw in that one.
Let's see the other. Like I said, they have a, I guess this is for the washing area. Oh yeah, this is much bigger. Maybe this is the 1200 one.
No, this one will crowds around.
Yeah. We're about to go in the kitchen, guys. Yeah, this one is probably the 1200 one.
Definitely.
Yeah. Look at that view. What did I tell you about that view? The view is actually really nice.
Nice place, just
And you can see the sea.
one out.
See right? Yeah. A hammock. I don't know my obsession with hammocks, but a hammock would be nice. Damn, this is real nice. So we're in the same one that wraps around the balcony that wraps all the way around. This is the kitchen, which the lighting. Can you guys imagine me in here? I could be in here.
No, you can't imagine. Hot water?
Somebody just moved out.
No.
Because the water is still on.
No, like I think this whole property gets water.
Oh.
And what would happen is.
What about the lights? Is the lights? The lights are still on. But they still cut off the lights for individual units.
Yeah, but I think the water is probably included in the.
This is the third bedroom. Yeah? This is the third bedroom. If I could find 3 friends and we split the bill.
3 friends?
Yeah.
The third one I got to pay. I'll pay less enough.
Because the room's small?
Less small.
But them have a nice view. They have the best view. For the rooms, they have the best view.
Best view.
For this,
For this side?
the rooms.
Oh, for the rooms.
Yeah, they have the best view in that room.
Yeah.
So who gonna pay half what? So 1,200 divided by 3. That'd be 400 a month. It'd be 400 a month.
So 40 grand each.
Yeah.
And then, well, 40 a little bit.
Yeah, so we're back here.
Okay.
This is not, is there only one bathroom? Ooh, very deep. Guys, I feel like we're in Arizona.
Yeah, you can show what's going on.
Kyle is on the phone, so I'm gonna turn this off.
You know, with your plans and things.
Oof. Alright, I'm gonna turn this off. Alright guys, so my camera is about to die, but I do have the second battery with me.
Preferably an athlete, you know?
We're gonna go look at another house or another apartment right now. Hopefully that one is in a good price range and hopefully it looks really good. I mean, anything would be hard coming back from what we last saw. That looks so neat.
What's wrong with that athlete?
Then I'm gonna have to, if I were to get a place like that, I'd have to get a bed, fridge. I'd have to get all new furniture, you know?
Look here, the
But it looks
regular
so
pick up.
amazing.
The athlete drops to the ground and
amazing.
it just goes.
Kyle is talking to his friend.
No. What the money kicks up? What a scammer carry that?
I gotta go.
Police are.
Look at this, guys.
So guys, the same. If we are able to come back and she's free.
So where are we going? Straight down? Straight down here?
Well, I don't know, but it depends on if my friend is.